Hi everyone, this is Ouali Benmeziane. I'm the CEO and founder of WebCongress. We're based in Los Angeles and Latin America. We've been here forever bringing good, useful, practical digital education to the world. And I'm so excited to be part of the first International IT Expo in Kyrgyzstan. I had the pleasure to be there 2 years ago, and I'm so excited to come back connected with you guys and bring the best content I have, my tips, my recommendation, and especially learning how to take the idea, the business, the startup, the innovation you are doing in Kyrgyzstan and take it globally to the world, get clients, get exposure, get leads, get relationship, get investor from Europe and the United States of America. So please be connected with us. This is going to be really amazing. See you there.